Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a call, text or email button to your Instagram profile. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. To add a call, text or email button, you have to have a business account. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Then tap on accounts. At the bottom, here you will see my account has already been switched to a business account. A personal account or a creator account won't do the work. You will be needing a business account to do so. Now go back to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. Here you will see contact options. Tap on that. Now enable Display Contact Info and tap on the tick icon on top right corner. Now tap on the tick icon on top right corner to save your changes. Now if you go back to your profile, you'll see the contact button. Tap on that and you'll see the call and email option. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.